Do you want to create a custom transition? I'm going to show you how to do it with a zoom transition in Lumafusion. Let's go. This is what we're going to do. Let's play this. Okay, zoom and zoom out. Simple, very easy to do, and you can do it easily with what I'm showing you now. Okay. Let me show you how I do this. Okay. Right now I have 2 clips right now. Okay. Just normal transition, nothing happening. Now to make a zoom transition, before you do that, make sure you follow my task, okay? Whatever I do, whatever on the screen, you have to follow that. Okay, first thing you want to do is have the last clip here, stack on top of the other one, like that. Make sure it's crossed in between like that, okay? It's crossed like that, okay? Otherwise you can't do it. Okay, so you want to transition, you want to use this clip, these 2 clips here to make a transition. Adjust the length of your clip. So right now, so 57.03. Yeah, that will do me. Roughly that much. Zoom in, zoom out. Okay, first thing you want to do is select the first clip. Okay, double tap on it, and you want to go to color and effects. Okay, then you apply the zoom. You go to the eyedropper here. Right there, then you go to a long zoom, apply a long zoom, boom, and that is the effect that we're gonna get. Okay, that's the effect. Now the thing is, it's the effect the whole thing. It's no good there. Okay, that is no good for us. We want to from a clear no effect to an effect. Okay. Okay, so we want something like that. So we want to have the transition in like that. Okay, go back a little bit. Okay, then I'll apply transition. Make a keyframes. Okay, the way you make keyframe is use this button easier. Okay, so you can adjust from here, make a keyframe. But the best way is let me undo everything. Okay. That is when you have your transition, right? What you want to do next is apply a keyframe, boom, right there, and go backward. Okay, and now make another keyframe. What you want to do from this way is make it clear. So I'll make a transition at the end of this clip here. Let me show you. That's how it looks. Okay, let's play. Okay, so you can transition it like that. Okay, doesn't matter where it is. Right now there's transition, but the one on top has covered it already. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is go to the top layer here and do the opposite. Okay, so from the beginning, go to color and effects, eyedropper, apply the long zoom. Boom. Okay. Then you want from a long zoom to normal. Okay. So the bottom layer, okay, from normal to zoom. The top layer from zoom to normal. Okay. So apply a keyframe right there, and around 1 second, roughly 1.5 seconds. Then I have no zoom, and that's your effect. Simple. Okay, so right now it's like that. Let's play. Zoom back to normal. Okay, now to make it more smoother, you apply a cross dissolve. Okay, just a quick one. There you go. Much better. Much better. Okay. That's it, my friend. That's how you do it. Okay. So I'll show you that in full screen. Play. Okay. Very dramatic. Yeah. My name is Travis Chow. I'm a TimelapseNuts. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you find what I supply to you is valuable. Also, check out my playlist, especially on Lumafusion. If you're a beginner, check it out. Okay, there's a lot of great stuff there for you to check it out. Okay, I'll see you next time with another video.